So this is going to be an unboxing of this TechGlow audio power bank bracket. Let's jump into it. So to start, we have our USB-C charging port, and all in one, which is pretty cool, and it's a pretty portable, great size. Folds down again really easily. This looks awesome. Can't wait to try it out. And I got this here in this nice blue color. So we have all these different buttons here. Okay. This looks pretty easy to figure out, even for me. Put your phone right there. Okay. And then you would plug this in. Oh, right there. And there's also an aux cable right there, and a USB-C output. You would power that on. So it's a speaker, you can do hands-free calls, it's a power bank, and a phone stand.